Are you looking to replace the screen protector of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, as you may have already scratched or damaged the pre-installed one? Well, if this is the case, stick around, as I'll be installing and reviewing the Araree front glass screen protector today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to apply this screen protector to your phone, and also know whether this is the right protector for your Z Fold 3. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos on how to keep your handset protected. Before we begin, as always, I'd recommend turning off your handset, and of course removing the already installed screen protector. Within the box you receive the glass screen protector, cleaning wipe and dust sticker. So let's get started. Firstly, clean the screen of the display by wiping over your display with the cleaning cloth. Then use a dust removal sticker to lift off any dust and lint. Now let's apply the glass. Pull back the tab that is labelled 1. Lower the glass onto your screen. Match up the camera and the bezel of the display to the glass to get an accurate fit. Lastly, using the microfiber cloth, wipe over the protector. Your display is now protected by the Araree glass screen protector. It has a thickness of 0.45mm, making it barely noticeable. What is also good about this is that you are still able to attach a case to your handset, allowing for you to provide 360 protection to this precious device. It is a 9H tempered glass, making it a strong choice of screen protection, also meaning that it is able to take on some of the harshest of impacts. The glass supports an oleophobic coating, which means that it prevents finger marks being visible on the display. So not only does it keep your display safe, it also keeps it looking clean. In regards to the application process, it was very easy. No bubbles formed, which is very much appreciated. The glass is crystal clear, meaning for you to still be able to watch your favourite content from your handset in the best way possible. Also, the protector has a 95% light penetration ratio to stop your eyes from straining when looking at your phone. This is a reliable and cost-friendly way to protect the front display of your handset. It is obviously thicker than a film protector, however, glass does tend to be more robust, which is a very small price to pay in terms of providing protection to this valuable handset. Hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this one. Share this with your family and friends who are also looking for a screen protector. Comment below if you have any questions regarding this video. Head over to our website and other social media channels for if you would like to see more ways to get the most out of your smartphone. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.